do we got here? Carrion beetles, and they're mating. These guys, they eat decaying animal flesh, so I'm not gonna pick them up. I mean, that's just disgusting. And honestly, I don't know if they'll start eating me, so anyway, pretty cool. Now this is a carrion beetle nymph, or a juvenile. So cute. Just found some more carrion beetles carrying along with their humping. It must be mating season. What's the date today? Let's see, May
5th of May, Memorial Day.
Oh yeah, it's Memorial Day. Oh, well, I'll remember that.